do is we take that dust, it's called gold dust, it's similar to dance floor rock. We kind of lay it down, we take the ball spot, kind of level out a little bit, and then over it with a layer of good old BJ1. Kind of rebuild that starting line, keep it even, and keep it sticky. So that's what our starting line staff is doing right now.
Oh, I want it. Love El Caminos.
A 4 Grand Cherry. My God, look at that.
All right.
4-wheel steel.
Bumper sticker on your car. Miles an hour. Stick up.
That is amazing.
4-door powertrain on that cradle has the Rapidian. Me and Miles, when we put this together, it's like, okay, I asked him how we going to get to the front steering. He's like, hey, we got the power controller from the seat, driver's seat. Put that right to the rack. We'll switch on the front.
Bucket list car. Beautiful Cutlass.
Don't mind Rooster. We're getting ideas for Red Menace. 455 cubic inch Pontiac motor, board 30 over. And we heard it fire up and it sounds evil.
Sounds like beautifully loud music.
Oh, it's amazing. I say evil in the best possible way on this one. Alright guys, see the Dodge tent back there with all the beautiful SRTs? Well, guess what's underneath that tent? 2 Dodge Demons. They're not actual demons, they're the nice body style and everything, and they're cool, but they're set up as an interactive video game where Rooster and I got to drag race each other in matching Dodge Demons, which was amazing. I talked a lot of smack and said I was going to stomp him. I got the first race.
Just because I am used to lifting off the gas to shift, and you don't do that in those. So I fell all flat over my face, you know, right off the line, and you got me. But after that, I learned my lesson.
After that, he got the second and third race, so he beat me. It was still fun, and now Rooster and I get to say that, hey, guess what? We got to drag race each other in a pair of Dodge Demons, which was amazing. And we got free t-shirts.
Yep. Also, we got to meet Elena, I'm not sure how you pronounce her name, but yeah.
We got to meet Elena from Roadkill.
And I got my picture with her.
Yep, we'll probably post that somewhere in this section of the video.
Uh-oh, 5-0.
Somebody done.
Yep, time to go.
Later, guys.
Go. as a drag racer.
All right, guys, you're looking at a 1969 Volkswagen Type 3 Fastback. Now, the cool thing about this car is there were very few sent over here to the U.S. This is the first one me and Rooster have ever seen. And the best part is, it's got a Porsche 914 motor in it. So, it might not look the greatest, but it's pretty zippy.
And it's a daily driver.
Exactly, which makes it even better.
So once again, if you're a registered drag racing participant, not a car show guy, if you'd like to be evaluated to participate in the $3,000, I
don't know how well you can see it, but it's also a stick.
And I'll tell you what lane to get in. Now, if you've got a vehicle that you know is well over $3,000 value, don't waste your time. But if you think you got a little,
Be sure and mention.
This one has a little bit of ZBC in it. Heavy donated a ratchet strap to the guy so that he could have a battery tie down because they weren't going to let him run. We just happened to be walking by when the guy said it, and Heavy's like, hey, I got a ratchet strap you can use. So, going to be a little bit of ZBC going down the drag strip here in a little bit. If we're up in the stands and this guy runs, I'll get a video of it.